So guys, what I didn't explain in the last video was, why are we, how and why of the wordless, right? How are we making it and why are we making it? Because it almost appears small compared to other wordless, right? And this is the reason right here. Like, search up net gear adjective noun or any router, because historically, a lot of these providers, they do shit like this where it's massively insecure, and you can make a word list for this in a minute. It's pretty scary. I'm sure, at least I know for a fact, I can say that the adjective and the noun with 3 digits is around an hour to crack, and with 1 it's like 30 seconds. So this is not a secure method to be using in a lot of networks, and this is why you have a long password, a rolling password on your SSID, and just all of that. This is a true testament to just Wi-Fi security. So let's walk through how we made this wordless. So first of all, I grabbed the Windows version of utils for Hashcat, either on Git or their actual site, which I can link below, but we're only really focused on Combinator, so we're gonna cd over there. The reason I'm going into the bin is just because that's where the Combinator.exe is located. Keep in mind you also have to have the txts that you're going to add in there. So I just found some, either it was from an English professor or someone on GitHub, a very long list of adjectives and then nouns. So we're going to use it real quick. We're just going to call it test. Call it test 61 because I'm unsure how many I have. And watch how fast this is. I mean, it's scary. It's done. So now to prove that it works, we're going to move test 61 to Hashcat. And then we'll go over there. And we're going to run a Hashcat command. We'll do the wordless plus mask mode, since that's kind of what we're tailoring our wordless for. 22k hash, which is the WPA, PSK, EAPOL, and then just some hash I have, and the wordless we just made. After that, we'll add the mask. And this is purely just a test, to make sure this is working. So after it kind of compiles, I'll press S, and there we go. So we got our hash type, we got how long it'll take, and then yeah, there it is. So pretty crazy how fast it is, considering the last one we did in the other video was about 4 minutes, and it was cracked with the 2 digits, and it was like almost 20 characters. So yeah, crazy. So yeah, pretty much as I was editing with this proprietary piece of shit software, I think there's a lot to be said about the length of the password and how easy it is, to be cracked, because it doesn't appear that way. You get set up with an ISP and you have like a 25 character password, yet we're seeing like 3-minute crack times. So just remember to change it.